You've lit a candle with intention before, but the flame leaned left, the wax pooled weird, and you had no idea what any of it meant. Here's what's actually happening. Fire isn't symbolic. It's transformative. It consumes matter and releases energy, which is exactly what magic does. When you light a candle, you're not performing some cute ritual. You're initiating a chemical process that mirrors the structure of spellwork itself, taking something solid, breaking it down, and releasing it into the world as heat, light, and smoke. That's not metaphor. That's mechanics. And you're not asking the universe for a favor. You're feeding your intention into a process that's already happening. The flame doesn't carry your wish to some cosmic customer service line. It becomes the thing that metabolizes your will, burning through resistance, moving energy, creating change in real time. The candle becomes a focal point. Your mind, which is normally scattered across 17 tabs and 3 anxieties, has something to anchor to. And the flame becomes the messenger. It shows you what's moving, what's blocked, what's working. When it flickers, when the wax drips a certain way, when the smoke curls left instead of rising straight, that's feedback. The fire is talking. And once you learn its language, you stop guessing. You start knowing. Here's what most people get wrong about candle color. They think it's aesthetic. A nice touch. Something Pinterest-y to make the spell feel witchy. But color isn't decoration. It's instruction. It's the specific command you're giving the flame. Black isn't just protection. It's reversal. It's banishing. It's creating a void where something toxic used to be. You're not shielding yourself. You're erasing the threat entirely. Red isn't just passion, either. It's blood. Survival. The kind of power that doesn't ask permission. You burn red when you need something primal to move. White? Everyone says purity, which, fine, but that's not why you actually use it. White is a blank slate. It's amplification. It's what you burn when you need clarity before you need results. When you don't know what you want yet, but you know you need space to figure it out. Green for money works, sure. But green for growth? For something that needs to root and take hold over time? That's where it gets interesting. And here's the thing most people never do. You can layer colors. Burn them in sequence. Let one finish completely before lighting the next. You're not mixing intentions. You're building a spell in acts. Black to clear the field. Red to claim the space. White to seal it. That's not 3 spells. That's one spell told correctly. Here's what nobody tells you